Hello everybody, hello my dear students. Okay, I hope you watched the previous video in which I explained how to form the passive voice. Today we are going to use the student book and workbook. So please take your books, your pens and follow with me. We are going to start with the student book, page 101. Later we'll go to the workbook, page 63. So student book, page 101, exercise number 2. You are going to complete the sentences in the passive. So we are not going to rewrite full sentence here. We are going to complete this sentence with the verbs between brackets in the passive form. So the passive form, let's remember, it's the verb to be, that's the rule, plus the main verb in the past participle. So please don't forget this. Okay, the nice thing here is that the sentence is written for you, okay, but you have only to change the verb between brackets. The gallery's window broke last night by vandal. So I have a key word here, which is last night. Okay, so I will highlight last night. The gallery's window break, this is my verb, last night by vandal. So I need now the verb to be in the past because I have last night. So it's one window, not many windows, so I will put was. The verb break in the past participle was broken. So this is my answer. Please write down your answers. Okay, this is the answer. Sentence number 2. We teach music in our school. This depends on the context. We don't have any keyword here. So if you talk about yourself, you can use the present. If I am talking about myself and about the past, I will use the past here. So both are possible because we do not have any keyword here. So we teach music in our school. Let's use the verb to be. We were, not was, because we taught, it's the verb to teach in the past participle. So were is the verb to be and teach in the past participle. Okay. All the tickets already sell for the concert. I have the keyword already. So be careful. We are not going to change this word. It's just a time expression. This one is only a time expression. It will be only included in your answer, that's all. My main verb is to sell, okay? So the word already shows that my sentence will be in the present perfect. The rule of the present perfect in the passive, it's have or has plus been plus the verb in the past participle. This is the rule in the passive, in the present perfect, if you find this keyword already. Okay, so let's apply this. All the tickets, many tickets, it's not only one ticket. So because there are many tickets, I will put the word have. So all the tickets have. Then after have you have been, and I have sell. I will put sell in the past participle, sold. How about this time expression? Where to put it? It's here. Have already been sold. Okay. So actually I haven't changed this word. It just comes here. There is no change. It's time expression, but be careful about the rule because it's the present perfect. Number 4, the theater restore by May. This is my keyword. And of course this one will refer to the future perfect because it's not in May, it's by May. So if you find by with a future word like by 2022, by next year, by next month, it's all future perfect. So the rule will be as follows in the passive. Well plus have plus been plus verb in the past participle. So let's apply the rule. The theater, okay, will have, as I said here, been, this been, and the verb in the past participle, this verb between brackets, will have been restored. Okay, let's have a space here. And let's highlight the answer. Please don't forget to take your answers on your student book because later you will need it to revise. Okay, now next one. The new arts center open next Monday by the mayor. What is the keyword? It's next Monday, which is future simple. The future simple will plus be plus the verb in the past participle. This is the passive in the future. So, sorry, we need to highlight this in yellow because it's a keyword. Okay, this is the rule. And now let's apply this. So I said will, then be, so will, be, and then the verb in the past participle opened. Okay. So this is the answer, or these are the answers for the exercise number 2, student book, page 101. Now let's move on to the workbook. Please take your workbook, page 63. Now the exercise is a bit different. Exercise number 1. You are going to rewrite the sentences in the passive. You can omit or remove the agent when it's not important. I mean, it's not necessary to say by John, by Ali, by Fatma. This is not important. Okay? Sometimes it's important, sometimes it's not. So when it is not necessary, you can just omit it or delete it or remove it. Okay. So we have the sentences here. So as I said, exercise number 1, workbook, page 63. They found some forgotten statues in the museum's basement. As I said yesterday, ask yourself the question. They found what? What did they find? Actually, they found some forgotten statues. Okay? I said it's not necessary to include the place or time expressions. Okay, you can include them at the end of the sentence. Don't take them with the subject. So here my subject will be some forgotten statues. Okay, what is the rule now? Let's remember together the rule. It's the verb to be plus, okay, let's write it. So verb to be plus verb in the past participle. Okay, we're going to always use these rules. So some forgotten statues. So here I have found and not find. This is the past simple. Statues, it's a plural with S. So were, the verb in the past participle, it's also found. It's the same. found where? In the museum's basement. So this is my answer. Some forgotten statues were found in the museum's basement. Next one. The National Gallery is exhibiting Van Gogh's painting. The National Gallery is exhibiting what? This is my answer. I will take this to start my sentence with. It's always after the verb. It's exhibiting what? Van Gogh's painting. So Van Gogh's painting, I need the verb to be. I have here is plus ing. Okay, which means this is the present continuous. So Van Gogh's painting, it's one painting, so is also here. Because I have the present continuous, I should write is being, because it's the present continuous with is ing. Then I should take this verb and put it, this is my main verb, and put it in the past participle. So is being exhibited. Okay. You can say by the National Gallery. It's okay. You can omit it also. So this is my answer. They will publish, example number 5. Okay. Notice here I skipped example number 3. I skipped it. So 2, 4, 5. They will publish his book in the summer. The key word here is will. Please highlight with me. Also highlight this. Why I put is being? Because I have is with ing, which is the present continuous. Why I put was or were here? Because I have found, which is the past simple. Let's go back to 5 now. They will publish his book in the summer. They will publish something. What is it? His book. His book. The verb be in the future will be. So, will be. Publish in the past participle. It's regular verb, so with ed. Published. His book will be published in the summer. Okay, sorry, I haven't written capital letters and I didn't put full stops. Okay, we should have booked the tickets before they sold out. Okay. I have here modal verb should plus have plus verb in the past participle. Okay. So the rule will be as follow. Any modal verb, should, could, whatever, plus have plus the verb to be, been, plus the same verb in the past participle. But the main verb should be in the past participle. So should have been plus the verb in the past participle. And we should have booked what? The tickets. I will start with the tickets. So the tickets should, look please at the rule, should have been, and the verb, it's regular with ed, so we will keep it, booked. The tickets should have been booked before they sold out. It's okay, I keep always the time and place expressions at the end of the sentences. This is the answer that's highlighted. Example number 7. The audience were applauding the cast at the end of the performance. There is no time expression about the past, but I have the main verb in the past continuous, were applauding. So was, were, plus ing means you are going to deal with the past continuous. So in this case, the rule will be as follows. Was or were, it depends on your subject, if it is singular, if it is plural. It depends on the pronoun. So was or were plus been plus your main verb in the past participle. Okay. The audience were applauding who? What? So, what were the audience applauding? The cast. The cast. Okay. So, was, because the cast was, then been, then applauded. Okay, let's move on now to the example number 8. A thunderstorm has postponed the event until tomorrow. The thunderstorm has postponed what? What has the thunderstorm postponed? The event. Okay, so I have here the event. I will start with the event. Sorry for this. Okay, so the event has postponed, has plus verb in the past participle, means you're going to apply this rule. Has or have plus been plus verb in the past participle. This is the rule. So the event, I am going to use has because it's only one event, then been, then postponed with ed because it's already a regular verb, postponed. The event has been postponed until tomorrow. Okay, so this is the answer for the sentence number 8. I hope this is clear. I hope everything is clear for today. Please, if you have any questions, send on the Teams group and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you.